When you take all the keys off of an instrument, what do you do with all the screws and rods? This week on Tech Tips. When you take all the keys off your instrument, knowing which rod and which screw goes back in the right spot for each one being a slightly different length is really important. So having a rod block like this is essential. It shows us where each individual rod goes and each individual screw goes. That way you don't lose track of them. You also can use the different ones for clarinet and for flute. Keeping your parts organized is a really important part of successfully getting your instrument back together. If you want some of the plans for the blocks that I use, I'm happy to send them to you. Just shout out in the messages. Or you can also get these blocks commercially with some really nice covers on them that help you with names of keys and things like that. And I really like them. I think they're good. I just like making my own. So if you want those plans, just message me and I'll get you taken care of. If you want more tips like this, we drop a new tech tip every single Tuesday. So subscribe to make sure you get that. Also, we would really appreciate it if you would tell other teachers and other technicians about this so that we can all continue to grow and learn together. If you have a question that you're looking for an answer, reach out and let us know. We'd be happy to do a tech tip on it. We'll see you next week.